Best deals.
1. Spiral cutter. Made of durable plastic material, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. Spiral cutter design allows for quick and efficient slicing of various vegetables. Ideal for creating decorative spirals or noodles from vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, zucchinis, and more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rice pot drainer. The smooth surface and compact design of our rice pot with strainer lid make it easy to clean and store. With its innovative design, our rice strainer pot ensures efficient drainage, preventing over-soaking and yielding fluffy, well-cooked rice every time. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Protector. The transparent design ensures that clear self-adhesive rubber bumper stripes fits perfectly with any furniture without affecting the overall appearance of the furniture. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Scissors. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen while providing unmatched functionality. This multi-tool eliminates the need for multiple kitchen gadgets, saving valuable counter and drawer space. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Bag. Portable water carriers are perfect for camping, hiking, travel, concerts and other outdoor activities. Simply air dry and fold flat to stow away between uses. Screw-on cap provides leak-proof seal. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Egg dispenser. Engineered with food-grade plastic, it's shatterproof, hand-washing proof and odor-resistant, trusted by home experts for zero-waste mornings. This compact dispenser fits fridge doors perfectly, holding 12 to 14 eggs upright to stay fresh. Gravity-fed designed to dispense one egg at a time, keeping your fridge organized like a pro kitchen, even in tight Indian homes. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Juicer. All parts are detachable for thorough washing. While the juices parts are top rack dishwasher safe, the suction base should be hand washed and towel dried. Made from impact resistant ABS plastic that is BPA free for safe and reliable use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scoop spoon. Flexible head allows you to scoop hot pan juices or liquids directly from roasting trays without reaching for another utensil. Whether you are glazing pastry or basting a roast, the silicone bristles and built-in scoop help apply just the right amount every time. Designed with a raised handle and clever sit-up head, this non-drip silicone brush keeps your countertop clean between uses. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Drawer mat. Easy to clean and wash, food grade that protects shelves and drawers from dampness. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Wash bowl. Has ergonomic design, comfort grip on underside for ease of use. Storage bowl keep fruit in same bowl that used for rinsing. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Egg cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without the hassle of shells breaking into your dish. Made with quality materials, this tool is built to last and is easy to rinse after use. Small and easy to store, perfect for any kitchen size. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Ceramic oil dispenser. Features a removable spout, making it effortless to clean. Simply wipe the ceramic oil dispenser 500 ml and spout after refilling to ensure long-term use. Crafted from durable ceramic, this oil bottle for kitchen helps preserve oils, vinegar, and liquid condiments. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Trivet mats. Silicone trivets for hot dishes, made from food-grade silicone, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, easy to clean by shaking off excess water or rinsing. These trivets for hot dishes are heat-resistant from -104 to 302. Do not put it directly into the oven for heating. Non-slip design ensures stability. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage bags. The clear transparent window allows for easy identification of contents, and the compact size makes them easy to store and transport. The stand-up feature allows for easy access and efficient organization of your items. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tea coaster set. Elegant adorable designs adds a perfect vibe to any table and keeping any surface safe from your favorite drinks, made of high-quality material. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Vegetable cutter. 100% safe and BPA-free material for ease of use and durability. Rust-resistant and sharp blades, stainless steel blades. Advanced push technology for professional and uniform results every time. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Works 10 times faster than regular knives, perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Perfect to chop and dice a wide range of fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. 2 sharp stainless steel blades for thick and thin slices, cubes and wedges. The dicer can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Make food preparation a breeze with this innovative dicer that features advanced push technology for consistent and easy dicing or cutting food into small cubes. This smart kitchen gadget is perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cutlery set. The cutlery set includes forks, spoons and chopsticks. Unique design, very delicate and elegant. It's mirror polishing, non-bending, heat-resistant, reusable. It's compact and lightweight. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Weight machine. Offers accurate measurements up to 10 kilograms, perfect for precise food weighing during baking, cooking, and meal prep, ensuring your recipes are spot on every time. The digital kitchen weighing scale features a touch button tare function, allowing you to easily subtract the weight of containers, making it an ideal food weighing scale for all your culinary needs. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Holder. This handle adapts seamlessly to various cookware, including removable pots and baking trays, eliminating the need for pot handles replacement in your kitchenware. Suitable for all cookware, the removable handle offers exceptional convenience for any pots and pans. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sealer. Perfect for tightly sealing and storing all types of foods and snacks, so that the food stays fresh and tastier for longer. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Gloves. Super easy to clean the brush, just rinse with water or put it in the dishwasher, it will refresh again. Brush can help to create more foam, also can help to increase friction force, take it to clean anywhere with ease, and with soft brush, you don't need to worry damaging something you wash. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Egg separator. Just place it on top of your bowl, crack an egg into the separator slots, and within 3 seconds, you'll have perfectly separated egg yolk and egg white. It's quick, effortless, and ensures a mess-free experience. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Fruit cover. Designed with denser mesh and wider skirts to allow your food breathe naturally and say goodbye to fruit flies and bugs. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cutter. Stainless steel crinkle cutter with wavy blade pattern for creating decorative cuts in vegetables and fruits. Product link is given in the 24th link.